Ever wished for a spa day without leaving home? Australians spend thousands on relaxation, but you can make your own spa corner for less than $20. In just 120 seconds, you'll learn how to build a cozy spa corner that'll make your weekends pure bliss. First, why bother with a spa corner? Science says cozy spaces reduce stress. A 2020 study found that natural elements like plants can boost your mood by 30%. It's like giving your brain a warm hug. Here's what you'll need: a small table, some candles, a plant, and a soft towel. Got these at home? Awesome! If not, your local dollar store's got you covered. No fancy stuff required. Now, let's build it in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Pick a quiet corner in your home. Step 2. Arrange your table with candles and a plant for that calming vibe. Step 3. Drape a soft towel over the edge for a luxe touch. That's it. You're done. It's like turning your living room into a 5-star resort, just without the price tag. Fun fact: even Cleopatra used candles for her spa vibes. This little project takes less than an hour but feels like a mini vacation. So what's your must-have for a spa day? Drop it in the comments. We're curious. And if you love feeling relaxed, hit that subscribe button for more cozy ideas. Let's make every weekend a little more blissful together.